Welcome to my son de femme. Hello guys, I'm here with a really quick recipe that was highly requested recently, and I don't get it, but I'll do it, and you know, whatever comes first, I guess. So my request was beans on toast, and I will do beans on toast with weenies because you know how I am. And so the first thing that you need, you know, we gotta upgrade in the kitchen. We gotta keep it real up in here, because we can't just be cutting corners and just be going around getting by and doing the least. We gotta upgrade up in here. On my son de front, we keep it real, we keep it popping. You know, this food is busting. So let's start with the ingredients. We have here toast, we have here pork and beans, we have here Vienna sausage barbecue flavor, and I'm gonna get to the spices, because this, to me, like when I had it on Thanksgiving, it was like really important for me to get it right. So this is Creole seasoning, and I like to mix this with the Berbere seasoning, and I like bay leaf in it. I like my jerk seasoning to be mixed with a little bit of allspice and like a pepper medley. This says no, this is the wrong pepper medley. But I like to put on both just to make it taste a little bit more traditional. I put 5 spice powder, and this has cinnamon, fennel, cloves, star anise, and white pepper. Let me get that pepper for you, because I got the wrong one. And so this one, it says pepper medley, and it has black peppercorns, coriander, pink peppercorns. It says white peppercorns, allspice, and green peppercorns. So this one I like to put in the jerk seasoning, and I also like to add some bay leaves to both of them, like I said. So we'll get started and open these cans. So the first one is the Vienna sausage, and to this one I'll add jerk seasoning. So I'll put this much jerk seasoning in it, and I'll add some of the allspice peppercorn medley and a bit of the 5 spice powder, like that, and I'll put some bay leaves in it, like that. Okay, and I'll mix that in a minute. Let me get this out. Let me mix this up a little bit. And just get it in the juice and mixed up a bit. It's splashing around. But just, you know, get it in there, get it mixed up. You can see the spices already getting in the sausage, and that's what you want. Just mix it up, and I'll put that to the side and open this Bandcamp. Can of beans, beanie weenies or beans, and this one, like I said, this one gets the Creole seasoning. Just get enough in there, as much as you want. That's a lot of salt, so I'm just gonna leave that, and some Berbere seasoning. That's enough for me. stir it. And I guess I'll just add, let me see. I want to add some black pepper. I'm gonna stir that. And these beans are kind of dull looking, you know, like I thought it would be enough seasoning, and I don't want to overpower it. Maybe just, I love the taste of anise. I don't know why I love the taste of anise. Allspice. And mix it. Okay. Now for the assembly, we'll open the toast. And that one's broken. These little toasts. I like to put them in sideways. Fit better sideways, and like pieces I can just put in here. Pieces. But next we just put literally the beans on top. And spread it. And then I'll bake it until it's cooked. And here goes the weenies. You can just pour the sauce over. It's gonna land there anyway. See? And just spread these out. You can cut them in half if you want, but you can put one on each, however you want to do it. But like last time I didn't have to cut them in half, but you could just cut them in half. And I just like to do it like this, and then I put them in the oven. Just put them in. And like I said, I'll cook them for like, you know, it doesn't take that long, probably like 15 minutes. So we'll be back and we'll taste them. That looks good. So Here's my beans on toast. And I like to eat it with some ketchup. And I just like to scoop it up like this. And let's give it a taste. It's so good, so easy, real fast snack. Let's taste just the beans. Super good, and it's not even bad for you. So hopefully you like this recipe and you try it, and you won't be sorry. So see you guys soon on my Sunday front. And like, share, subscribe, comment down below. As always, if you have any suggestions, leave them down below as well. And I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.